guys, a well-managed department is a foundation of academic excellence. To help heads of departments lead more effectively, AfrikSabify provides powerful tools for department management, staff supervision, teacher supervision, department analytics, and curriculum planning, all designed to simplify administration, strengthen oversight, and improve educational outcomes. The department management section allows you to organize and oversee all activities within department, manage departmental operations, or coordinate academic activities, monitor responsibilities, and ensures that objectives are being achieved efficiently. The staff supervision helps you monitor and support both academic and non-academic staff within your department. We're going to start with the department analytics. Under the department analytics, you're going to see how heads of department analyze each and every student's performance and the teacher's performances. So in here, you're going to see this different statistics card that shows how each and every progress is being made in the system. And whenever your subject performance has been graded or your teacher's performance has been graded, it's going to show up in this sheet here. If you have this drop down here, you can select the current term, either the current year or the last term, and we have this AI analytics. And inside of this AI analytics, you'll be able to configure your analytics scope. To do that, you just need to add the head of the department name. You add the academic term. Once you've entered your department name and the academic name, you can also use this AI to do the analysis. And next, just click on the analyze here where you can export and keep. And next, which is the curriculum planning. The curriculum planning feature helps you organize and structure your department's curriculum effectively, plan subjects, learning objectives, academic schedules, and course delivery to ensure consistency, quality, and alignment with educational standards. You can see some of the different statistics cards. You can see the term progress of each and every subject. You can see the different subject that is in the system, and you have these quick actions here where you can edit, duplicate, export, or delete a specific subject. And we have here where you can drop down to check all the different grades. You can also drop down to check the different terms, and in here you can add a curriculum. So to add a curriculum, just need to click on this add curriculum, and you're going to add your curriculum. We have this AI curriculum planner that is going to help you facilitate your curriculum generation. So if you want to use AI to generate your curriculum, just click on this AI generate curriculum and you're good to go. Next, we have the teacher supervision feature. Under the teacher supervision, you can oversee teaching activities, monitor lesson delivery, review classroom performances, and ensure teachers are following academic standards and curriculum requirements. This helps improve teaching quality and students' learning outcome. So inside of the teacher supervision, you can see the different statistics cards. You can see this chart here that shows the teacher's performance metrics. You can see the different teaching staff overview here, and you can see the recent classroom observations. If you want to schedule for an observation, click on this schedule, and you're going to fill out this form and place your schedule. And if you want to plan a development, click on the plan development, fill out this form, and create your plan development. You can view the profile of this teaching staff. You can let me say schedule for an observation for the specific teacher. You can also create a new evaluation. So you can create a new evaluation, and when everything is done, you just click on submit and your evaluation is going to be submitted. So you need to take your time and fill out this form to be able to submit or create an evaluation. Next, we have this performance metrics. You can check the performance metrics, and that is how the teacher supervision function. We have this search icon where you can search for a specific teacher inside of the system, and we have these filters where you can filter by all teachers, excellent teachers, good teachers, or needs development. Together, these tools provide a complete management solution that enables head of departments to lead with confidence, improve efficiency, and maintain high academic standards. With AfrikSabify, heads of department can move beyond manual administration and focus on strategic leadership. By combining the supervision analytics, curriculum planning, and department management in one platform, you can make smarter decisions, strengthen academic performance, and drive your department towards greater success. Don't forget these two AI features. You can place a call through this Sophie AI and ask for any worries concerning your HOD, your head of department portal. Or if you can either chat with her directly using this chat widget concerning these features, or you can create a ticket, or if you have any other thing that you want to just write, you can easily write here and send, and she's going to respond to you, or he or she's going to respond to you instantly. Thanks for watching.